toyo. So, ready na ba kayo? Ready ka na ba? Nasa park kami. Nabubudol na din po ako. This is what happens pag magkasama kami. Got the POK Milo Dino top after workout treat. But still, I want Choco pa din. I just finished eating and it's a Wednesday. I just got out of the office and I don't know, but I also made like toyo. Sobrang lalang toyo. So buti na lang, I asked my friends if they're free tonight so that we could go out and eat. And free naman sila, so I'm just waiting for them. And we're going to eat sa Din Tai Fung comfort food. And also, since wala ako sa mood, I'm watching the Michelle Choi and I ate the cheese puff because it's a comfort food of mine and my favorite vlogger of all time is Michelle Choi. So, I feel a little better now, but I really need to see my friends now because wala na ako sa mood talaga. So, let's hope naman nakitain na nila, magpilisan na nila. Hi, hindi ko na sila papakita but ang dami namin food and I'm happy. Ano yan ginagawa niyo? Kadiri ka. Hoy, kadiri ka. Hindi na nasabi yung BTS. Pero yan daw yun. Daan mo ano? Four. To Cafe Breton. Kasi gusto namin ng ice cream. I'll get ano lang siguro. I don't know pa. Ang ano mo dun Mga ice cream. Medyo soft lang yung akin. It's okay. Gusto ko kasi itong flavor na to. Ano sabi mo?
Tatlong lap na namin ito dito sa Greenbelt 4 eh.
Ito na yung jogging
Ay, 5 pala to. Grabe lang kasi.
Nakikipalabig na.
Ano po? Enjoy?
Sabi ko magja-jogging ako today. Kaya ang dami kong bag. Kaya ako may dalang pang jogging. With my big eye bags. Because my brother didn't let me sleep. vlogging again kasi di na naman yan na-videohan. The usual. Okay, anyway, we are at Warabi Mochi Kamakura. Warabi Mochi Kamakura sa SM Mega Mall, and we're gonna try this one. It's the Hojicha with Warabi Mochi fingers.
Warabi.
I like the fingers, but the drink, I don't like the drink. So I have my own there. Strawberry. It's so good. So, highly recommend. This is so good.
Sabi mo nga ni Daddy.
Sarap. Stop touching me. I'm gonna eat this.
A texture that melts. The skill techniques. Texture.
If you like mochi,
Clap your hands.
eat here. I don't know how to describe the powder. What does it taste like? Down the office just to buy utensils because we have 2 food and wala akong utensils. And I'm gonna buy a coffee na din from pick-up na lang since it's really pinakamalapit. So oily na. Recommended by Soleil yung flavor. It's oat milk latte sweetened and it's good. I like it. It's so hot and nawala na yung lipstick ko but I need to buy pantali kasi kailangan daw magtali ng hair. Guys, nagulat ako. Pagpasok ko ng CR. Sila nakita ko. Oo, nakaganyan. I'm in the mall na and I'm still drinking this because I was so busy. So work, like di na ako nakapag-drink man lang because I was in a meeting for like 3 hours. And then, grabe ang parang ko ng 100 na. I saw Moy and Lam. It was so funny kasi pagpasok ko talaga ng CR, sila yung first 2 people na nandun. So, sobrang nagulat ako. To the point na nagulat yung girls sa likod ko. Then, right now, I'm looking for a Mother's Day gift for my mom and my titas. And the first pick ko is MAC lipsticks. And then, I'll just buy them flowers then. But I don't know. I don't know. Parang same sila ng lipstick. Pero kasi baka hindi na naman sa kanyang shade. So, I'm still looking. I'm thinking of lotion from L'Occitane. Or, there's this other shop. I totally forgot the name of the shop, but I've been wanting to try it kasi it's Michelle Joy's favorite. I think it's her favorite. Basta she uses it. So, let's see na lang. I still have 3 days to buy a gift.